Hello, my name is Clayton Dalton with Bear Creek AI. Today I'm going to be walking you through the Knowledge Selector feature within knowledgeXpert. So I've logged into my knowledgeXpert account and I'm going to expand my sidebar and create a new chat. Now that we've done that, we can see in our search bar we have a button called Knowledge Bases in the bottom left. This is where we can make a selection on which knowledge bases or which sources of information that we want to be pulled from in our responses. So if we click this button, we'll have a few selections. Automatic selection is the default choice, and this lets knowledgeXpert choose the best knowledge base for your question, whether that's web search or one of the knowledge bases you have created or a knowledge base you subscribe to. It will choose the ideal knowledge base based on your question. But if we want to override that and go to a specific knowledge base or a specific tool, we can do that by clicking on it. And you'll see the selected knowledge base changes to web search. We can also deselect here or click back on automatic selection to revert to that mode. And if we scroll down, we can select one of our personal knowledge bases. We can select up to 3 personal knowledge bases and confirm that selection here. So for this question, I want to look at the web, so I'm going to click on web search. Now it's important to know when we make a knowledge base selection, it will only be able to access this tool. So if you ask it to access another knowledge base, it will not be able to while this is selected. And this gives you the confidence to know where your answers are coming from and limits you going to a source that you did not intend. Okay. So I've selected web search, and simply the question I want to ask is, what is the weather in Alabama today? ? And we will now go out to the web search tool within knowledgeXpert because that's what I have selected. It says today in Alabama, the weather is mostly sunny with temperatures in the 70s to 80 during the day, mild conditions expected tonight. We have our references, and we can see that we used the internet search tool. Okay. If we want to revert our selection, we can either open knowledge bases and click on automatic selection here, or we can simply click the X icon next to the web search bubble here, and we will revert back to all knowledge bases or automatic selection.